ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯔꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ꯫ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯉꯝꯈꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯝꯕꯜ ꯈꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ FMR ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯟꯁꯝꯅ ꯇꯛꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯅ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯞ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯣ-ꯃ꯭ꯌꯥꯟꯃꯥꯔ ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯄꯔꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯝꯕꯜ ꯈꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯍꯜꯂꯝꯕ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯝ FMR ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯆꯧ-ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯉꯩ ꯆꯩꯔꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯟꯁꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯅꯔ ꯑꯖꯌ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯕꯂꯥꯒ ꯔꯥꯖꯚꯕꯟꯗ ꯎꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯄꯤꯁꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯔꯥꯖꯚꯕꯟꯗ ꯒꯚꯔꯅꯔ ꯎꯅꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯣ-ꯃ꯭ꯌꯥꯟꯃꯥꯔ ꯉꯝꯈꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯝ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯍꯟꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯔꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯂꯦꯞꯅꯅꯕ ꯇꯛꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯜ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯍꯩ-ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯅꯥ-ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯆꯥꯔꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯗꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯒꯚꯔꯅꯔꯒ ꯎꯅꯔꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯇ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯄꯥꯎꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯟꯁꯝꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯇꯤ.ꯑꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯪꯇꯦꯁꯥꯡ ꯃꯔꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯟꯁꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯒꯚꯔꯅꯔ ꯎꯅꯔꯨꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯒꯚꯔꯅꯔꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯍꯟꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯉꯝꯈꯩꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯝꯕꯨ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯍꯟꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯣ-ꯃ꯭ꯌꯥꯟꯃꯥꯔ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯉꯝꯈꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯝꯕꯜ ꯈꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯟꯁꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯆꯪꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ, ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ꯫ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯜꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯏꯃꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯤꯡꯅꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯝꯈꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯝꯕꯜ ꯈꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯆꯥꯗꯦ꯫ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯂꯕꯗꯤ ꯏꯜꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯏꯃꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯤꯡꯅꯕ NRC ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯏꯟꯗꯣ-ꯃ꯭ꯌꯥꯟꯃꯥꯔ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯐꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯦꯞꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏ, ꯃꯈꯜ-ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯒꯚꯔꯅꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯈꯤ꯫ ꯑꯟꯁꯝꯅ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯂꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯣꯡ ꯌꯧꯍꯟꯒꯅꯤ, ꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯄꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ꯫ ꯑꯟꯁꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯤꯆꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯟ ꯇꯤꯆꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯕ, ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯏꯟꯐ꯭ꯔꯥꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯆꯔ ꯊꯝꯕ, ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯠ ꯀꯥꯗꯔꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯄꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯅꯥ-ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯠ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯦꯟꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯇꯛꯁꯤꯟꯈꯤ꯫ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯒꯚꯔꯅꯔꯗ ꯇꯛꯁꯤꯜꯂꯝꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯂꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯕ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ MLA ꯂꯧꯔꯦꯝꯕꯝ ꯔꯥꯃꯦꯁ꯭ꯋꯔꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ BJPꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯂꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯕ MLAꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯔꯥꯎ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ MLA ꯂꯧꯔꯦꯝꯕꯝ ꯔꯥꯃꯦꯁ꯭ꯋꯔꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ MLA ꯔꯥꯃꯦꯁ꯭ꯋꯔꯅ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯔꯥꯎ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯩꯔꯥꯎ ꯁꯕꯜ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯪꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ 24ꯗ BJPꯒꯤ MLA KH ꯏꯕꯣꯝꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ K ꯔꯣꯕꯤꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯟꯚꯦꯅꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯨꯅ BJPꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯖꯤꯁꯂꯦꯆꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯠꯁꯣꯏ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ MLA ꯁꯥꯐꯝ ꯀꯨꯟꯖꯀꯦꯁ꯭ꯋꯔꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯀꯧꯈꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ BJPꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔ MLA ꯈꯔ, ꯃꯁꯥ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ MLAꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯛꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤ꯫ MLAꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯦꯞꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯂꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯔꯥꯎ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯂꯥꯁ ꯊꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯤ꯫ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯛ ꯃꯆꯥ-ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯨꯅꯥꯜ ꯃꯔꯤꯡ ꯇꯦꯜꯍꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯪ ꯁꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯪꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯥꯗ ꯇꯪꯈꯥꯏ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯞꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ꯫ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯠꯊꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯅꯔꯅ MLA ꯊꯣꯉꯥꯝ ꯕꯤꯁ꯭ꯋꯖꯤꯠ ꯃꯆꯤꯟ ꯍꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯊꯣꯡꯖꯨ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ BJPꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠꯇ ꯀꯥꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯊꯣꯉꯥꯝ ꯕꯤꯁ꯭ꯋꯖꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ 2012ꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ 12ꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯦꯖꯤꯁꯂꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯈꯜꯗ ꯂꯝꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ RO ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ AC asida Congress mirep oikiba Seram Nikena file taurukiba election petition gi makha chatharakpa oiba wayelda ngarang High Court of Manipur na appoint tauba Advocate Commissioner gi mamangda MLA Thongam Biswajit machin hangkre. Election petition asigi respondent number 1 su oidiba MLA asina petition asiga mari lenana High Court na frame taukiba issue singdasu defense witness number 13 oiribani. Court frame tauba issue singa mari lenana chatharakpa wayel gi manungda Advocate Commissioner gi mamangda laktuna machin hangkibani adum oinama proceeding adu ngarang losinba ngamkidabadagi mathang thagi 8 ki nungthin pung 2 taba matamda High Court of Manipur gi court number 6 ta makha tana chathagani hari. Advocate Commissioner gi mamangda mahako machin hangbada natana cross examination gi thabuk su chat. Suchanpur kuki jo lusingba singi mifamna separate administration gi demanda hena pirep chasilankre. Suchanpur gi rengkai da leiba BTI auditorium da kuki jo lusingba singi mifam ama ngarang pangthoktuna kuki jo gi tokhaiba administration demand gi pirep hena chasinan na lokre hairi. Kuki jo miam gi political effects body ama oriba kuki jo council na sinuna ngarang pangthokiba mifam aduda Indian Constitution gi makhada separate administration ama leiduna isana lengak charaga matam kaktana kuki jo miyamgi yaiphanaba oigani phirep asi lowbuga loinana kuki jo miyamgi peace process ta kuki jo miyamgi peace amadi justice phangnanaba akaknaba matamgi manungda comprehensive oiba political roadmap ama India government athu matamda thabo oina paikhat kadabani. Constitution gi article 138 a gi makhada legislature singalonina union territory ama form tawduna separate administration ama lehnanaba center lenga ki pukning chinchin ki mifam aduda kuki jo miyam gi santi amde asumba warisin ama phangnanaba honabada kuki jo lusingma singpunna thabak tawminabasu punna wasak lominabaga loinana akhoi gi demand amadi pandam phangnaba government of India ga constructive oiba dialogue ama sathanaba punna honaminaba haina su warep lawki. Kuki jo miyam ga MEETEI community ga geographically physically amasung historically tokhai ba oibana athu matamda India government na kuki miyam gi apam asibu khangbiduna separate administration ama pibinabasu mifamna takshin ki. Kuki jo miyam gi damak Indian Constitution gi makhada peace justice amadi self determination amagi damak stockholder apunamak khusamnaduna thabok tawminanabasu appeal tawki. Pangthoki mifam aduda khanglaba tribe sing amadi district frontal organization gi mihut chamrom henmana saruk yaki hairi.
Hello, Mr. Governor of Manipur. I heard that you say every MEETEI village volunteer must surrender their weapons in these 7 days. So we feel very joyous because we didn't like battles and wars. So we feel very joyous. But the things you should know and do in these 7 days are number 1. You have to make the demand withdrawal of KUKI narco terrorists that they want to separate Manipur in 2 pieces. And they try to take the half of Manipur, but the MEETEI community people doesn't want it because this is our motherland, and why we will give the half of our motherland to another people not from our Manipur. So we didn't want to do what is the demand, just make the demand withdraw in these 7 days. Number 2, you have to make the KUKI narco terrorists stop planting poppy plants in jurisdiction of Central Force. And the problem that MEETEI people are facing, that they cannot enter the place of Manipur that drawn by KUKI narco terrorists. This is not their place, this is our motherland, so we can enter any place that we want, but they didn't allow us to enter in their places. This is the problem. You have to solve these 3 problems in these 7 days. In 8 days, I will collect every weapons and every guns from the best volunteers of Manipur, means MEETEI village volunteer and around by Tangle, and I will bring it to. If you don't, in these 7 days, you have to do these 3 things what I say, and I will bring all the weapons to you. If you don't, nobody is going to surrender to you. Just know and just make it remember in your mind. And if you want to destroy MEETEI village volunteer and around rectangle, you must know that it can be possible when there is no MEETEI community in Manipur, If the Meitei community is gone from Manipur, it can be possible to destroy Meitei village volunteer and Arabai Tengol. If we can't, just keep silent, don't talk, never talk like talkative person.